Today we learn about matching the same picture. See the same dogs and ducks. Okay. Now find the same picture and match them. Match the car with the same car. And a ball with the same ball. Cat with the same cat. One more example. Match leaf with leaf. Lamb with lamb. And wheel with the same wheel. Okay, find the odd one out. All are yellow. And blue is different. So blue is the odd one out.
The black chick is the odd one out.
Good. Which one is the odd one out?
Blue.
And which candle is the odd one out?
Red.
Very good. In this picture, cream one is the odd one out. Tell me which boy is the odd one out.
Yellow.
And in this picture, egg or tomato is the odd one out.
Tomato.
Good. Now, see on the board. Puppy is the odd one out. Okay. This is a line of hands. So leg is the odd one out. From cup line. Glass is the odd one out. Which one is the odd one out?
Ambulance. Girl.
And from this line.
Motorcycle.
Very good, kids. Apple is the odd one out. Cross the apple. The pant is wrong on the line, so pant is the odd one out. Cross the pant. The pen is the odd one out from the pencil line, so cross the pen. Now look at the picture of strawberries. This one is the odd one out. This picture, this onion is the odd one out. Black apple is the odd one out. Now see the line of t-shirts. Pant is the odd one out. Cross the picture of the pant. Glass is the odd one out from the cup line. So cross the glass. Which one is the odd one out?
Apple.
Okay. And from the boys line.
Girl.
Good. Big and small. Duck is big and duckling is small. The tree is big. And the plant is small. This is a big pencil. And this is a small. Big cup. And this one is a small cup. Big hand. And small hand. Big mushroom. And small mushroom. Big turtle and small turtle. Big elephant. And small elephant. Big bear and small bear. Which one is big and which one is small? B for big and S for small. Tree is big. Plant is small. Duck is big. Duckling is small. Football is big. Tennis ball small. Small ice cream. And big ice cream. The kitten is small. And the cat is big.